And we're back at the Georgia Power CRC, Chef David Rose. We just finished cooking up a delectable lemon ricotta pancakes with a bourbon blueberry maple syrup on the Vulcan Rapid Recovery Grill. And to the left of me, we have Anna from the Georgia Power CRC. So she is the lucky one to try these pancakes. I know you've been excited all day.
I'm so excited.
I know you fasted all day. I know you're ready to jump on. And it is a great way to highlight this griddle. So you let me know what you think. Without further ado, jump in.
Let's get into it.
Get into it.
Yeah.
And make sure you get some of that bourbon blueberry maple syrup. That's the winner right there.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Here we go.
Survey says?
Fantastic, you guys. Oh my gosh, you need to try this recipe out. It's amazing. You did such a great job.
Aww.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, I love it.
BFFs?
BFFs.
BFFs. Just like that. The power of these pancakes. And I could not tell you how fun it was to be here today.
Oh, yeah.
And use the Vulcan Rapid Recovery Griddle. And the proof is in the pudding, or should I say pancakes.
Oh yeah. Proof is in the pancakes, guys.
So you guys need to jump on this recipe, follow the chef series for this delicious recipe and so much more. And until next time, peace.
Bye, guys.